Candace for Revive Medical Spas. Let's talk a little bit about RF Microneedling, Radiofrequency Microneedling. What is it? It's a way to induce energy into the dermal layer of your skin, which wounds that dermal layer and gives it instruction to build new collagen, new elastin, new fibrin. Now, the trick is you have to have a good provider for this because they need to know the right depth to go. Go too far and you're in the fat layer and you're melting your fat. That's a bad idea. You need to have someone who knows what they're doing. So it's 36 gold tip needles. They're sterile, they come in a package, and those needles pulse your face 1,000 times. That makes, in girl math, 36,000 microchannels. Those microchannels are then open to uptake things like hyaluronic acid, which we put in, or Essence post-procedure. That is a growth factor, and then lovely masks to put on to make sure we hydrate and help to heal after the procedure. It doesn't hurt because we numb you up before you start. You don't really feel anything except when you're all done and you walk out the door, if it's cold outside, you will feel those 36,000 holes in your face. No one will see them, but you will know they're there. Keep your face clean, sleep on a clean pillowcase, and let those close up over 6 hours, and you will get lifting, tightening, reduction of pores, reduction of fine lines, and you will also get induction of collagen. That's what it's all about. Thanks. By the way, the products we recommend can be purchased in our free app. The Skin Medica and Elastin products will receive 20% savings. So select the link in the description to sign up and get your savings. And also, I need your help. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and share if you can. Thank you so much.